comenzó. El día de ayer se presentaron los Tucanes de Tijuana. Hoy le toca a J Balvin y mañana le toca a Bad Bunny. Bien, bien por todos los artistas.
No, estoy estudiando. Ponte tu jefe frente.
What's up, guys? So I just recently picked up my brother-in-law's truck from Enriquez Custom Sunroof and Interior. I'm about to show you the outcome. We're still not done with it. It's still a work in progress, but this is what we got so far. Alright, so this is what we got so far. Red leather with the black buttons. The center console, we're not too sure. We're gonna remove it. We might just keep it, but like I said, it's still a work in progress. Still gotta figure out some other things. Got the handle wrapped. All door panels are wrapped with the red stitching. Got the headliner redid. Dash wrapped. We still gotta rewire all the audio on this truck. That's why we got loose wires everywhere. The amp's still right here. But once we get all the speakers bought, we'll figure that out. What do you need?
Hey, where'd you find that one at? Corner there in the 90. That store right there in the 90.
Oh, you ain't football. Oh.